Bonjour mes amis! Welcome to our fun and easy French lesson. Today, we will learn the months of the year and the days of the week in French. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's learn the days of the week. Repeat after me. Monday, lundi, lundi. Tuesday, mardi, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi, jeudi. Friday, vendredi, vendredi. Saturday, samedi, samedi. Sunday, dimanche, dimanche. Great job! Let's say them again together. Now, let's learn the months of the year in French. Repeat after me. January, janvier, janvier. February, février, février. March, mars, mars. April, avril, avril. May, mai, mai. June, juin, juin. July, juillet, juillet. August, août, août. September, septembre, septembre. October, octobre, octobre. November, novembre, novembre. December, december, décembre. Well done. Now let's repeat them all together. Let's test what you've learned. I will say a month or a day in English and you say it in French. Ready? Monday, lundi. August, août. Saturday, samedi. December, décembre. Bravo! You're doing amazing. Keep practicing and you'll master these in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun French lessons. Also, check the description below for the best French books to help you learn faster. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.